Tino was fantastic. He came out and gave us a reasonable quote just before we bought the house, and we decided to go with him, and he put in a library for us. He restored our old windows. The house is 150 years old. And he took great care in putting in, restoring it to its original beauty. We put in crown moldings. Redid some of the hardwood floors as well. And we did end up doing a lot more than we had originally planned for, but that goes to show how much we really enjoyed his workmanship and the effort that his men put in. So very pleased overall.